Hi, last video we discussed about back pain. So in this video we'll continue discussion with the neck pain. So neck pain is quite common nowadays because of the mobiles. Okay. So what are the common causes of neck pain in your clinical practice as a spine surgeon?
So, because of COVID and IT jobs, a lot of people are doing IT jobs, and a lot of people, even the nowadays old age people are also a lot of people are using mobiles. So now it has become a pandemic again, the neck pain. So most common causes for neck pain are again the wrong posture because of long usage on the screens, long usage on mobile phones, and long usage on iPads. All those things are causing strain on the neck because we are naturally as a human being we are born to walk straight, but because of mobile we are nowadays most of the people are like this because of iPads and mobiles. So common causes are long posture. Second thing is because of long posture they have a neck sprain or ligament sprain. And second most common cause is a disc problem. So there are disc in the neck and back as well. So the more of the disc problem occurs because of wrong posture, the disc will age faster. Because of that, we have a disc problem causing neck pain. So other causes are because of aging, degenerative changes like aging, and rare causes like fractures, infections, and cancer.
So just like back pain we explained, what are the red flag signs in the neck pain?
So, like in the back pain, there is red flag size in the neck is also very important because in neck there is a spinal cord behind the neck. So whenever they have a pressure on the spinal cord, they'll feel like there is a weakness in the all four legs because the whole body, the nerves from the spinal cord goes. So whenever there is a pressure on the spinal cord, they'll feel weakness. So weakness in all four limbs is a main red flag sign. Second thing, urinary and bowel problems. So even if they develop that, then again it is a red flag sign. So other red flag signs are night pain, chest pain, fever, unexplained weight loss, and neck pain going to your hands and it is not coming down with a conservative therapy. All those things are red flag sign. And last thing is pain not reducing with conservative therapy. Means if you are not getting pain relief even after 6 to 8 weeks of treatment, then it is also.
So in to say that neck pain is more dangerous than back pain.
Definitely.
Because back pain involve only two limbs.
Yeah.
Something happens in the neck, it involve all the four limbs.
And in the low back we have only nerves because spinal cord is not there below L1. In neck we have a spinal cord which supplies nerves to the all.
All the neck nerves come to all the four limbs. If you neglect neck pains and something goes wrong, all the four limbs can get paralyzed. And here also like MRI is the main investigation modality.
So again the basic investigation is X-ray first. Then we usually treat with X-ray first. Then later, if the patient is having any red flag signs or if it is pain is not coming down for even after 6 to 8 weeks, then we go for an MRI. So again, the X-ray is a basic investigation.
So now there's a term called as a tech neck. So what exactly it is tech neck?
So again, it is rampant nowadays because of work from home nowadays after the COVID pandemic, and many of the majority of the IT people are on the screens because of work from home. So same thing applies for them as well. So proper posture is very important. Like in the back, the proper posture should be followed during sitting, during work from home also. So don't think that you are at home you can be followed any posture. No, how you sit in the office, most of the things should be followed in home also. Otherwise, the neck pain will trouble you throughout the life.
So how to sit? For example, see, normally we'll see mobile like this.
Yes.
So what is the ideal way? You have to see mobile like this or like this?
So my suggestion is always the flexion of the neck should be avoided. Means that the bending of the neck should be avoided because the maximum pressure in the disc occurs when you bend forward. So whenever you see the mobile, try to see like this so that your neck is straight and it is not bent up or it is bent down or it is turned towards this side or this side. It should be in front of your eyes and you will be seeing straight. That is the best posture.
Because
not only for mobile, it is for iPad and also for.
Because we continuously seeing like this, the whole of the head weight falls on the spine. So it will definitely cause us, and by evolutionary perspective, humans have not evolved like this. Humans are always evolved like this, static, straight and all. And screen, and so you have to sit at least, keep the mobile at least this posture to the straight for this one. So what are the simple exercises, home remedies? And some people extremely exercise like some asanas like Shirasasana. They can be, if not done properly, they can
Definitely
fracture the neck also.
So if the asanas, if you are not practicing and if you are not doing very vigilantly, is very dangerous, because once if they slip or if they get lost control of that position, they can have a fracture in the neck, or they can have a paralysis, like paralysis of four limbs, and also there can be touching of the nerves which causes pain all over the body. So you should be very careful by doing asanas.
So what are the simple exercises for the neck pain?
So
Not for the neck pain, to keep the neck healthy and for the mild neck pains.
So neck exercises are very very simple, because you don't need any sophisticated instrument, or you don't need any gym to do the neck exercises. You can do the neck exercises at home with the simple remedies. So basic, usually tell resistant exercises. Usually like we usually give pressure over the forehead and try to sit down, but you should press that back so that this is one exercise. Another
So one is
exercise,
pressure over the forehead and try to bend forward.
press the head, press the
Press head
hand
down.
which is giving the pressure.
Okay.
Hold it for 10 seconds or 15 seconds, then leave it.
Okay.
So repeat this exercise like 10 to 20 times.
Okay.
And one more simple exercise is turn towards the other side, opposite side, and press the chin, so that give pressure over the chin, this one, and try to turn the head towards that side. The same way can be repeated in the opposite side. And one more thing is give pressure over the chin and try to look down. So these are the simple exercises. And main preventive health tips are mainly same thing like back pain. You have to get up every 30 minutes, take a frequent breaks. The most important thing is proper posture. As I said, see straight, don't see right or left, up or down. You have to always see straight and keep your screen level at the level of eyes. So basically your upper part of the laptop screen should be at your eye level, so that you see straight, not up or down.
So this is a very good information. Thank you, Somshekar, for the valuable information about the neck pain. In the next short video, we'll discuss something about very common problems like slip disc and sciatica.